हाय गाइस, वेलकम अगेन टू क्रियॉन्स टू क्यूरियोसिटी। आई गेस आपको बहुत मजा आ रहा होगा एंड आपने देखा कि कैसे आपके बेबीज एंगेज कर रहे हैं आपसे, एंड दैट इज द ओनली की, राइट? विदाउट एनी प्रेशर हमें उन लोगों को सुपर एक्टिव, सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट, सुपर एंगेज करना है, एंड जिससे कि वो कुछ सीखे, उनका ब्रेन डेवलप हो एंड कैन टर्न इनटू अ स्मार्ट किड्स. Correct. So today we are going to deep dive into how to supercharge your toddler's memory and attention. Okay. So, the researchers says that your baby's brain is an encyclopedia brain. Isn't that amazing? So your baby's brain is an encyclopedia brain, right? बोला जाता है कि the brain is super ready to soak up everything that they see, they hear, they smell, and the connections are happening. Correct. It is like when we purchase a new book, new encyclopedia, the latest version of encyclopedia, when you buy, it will have all the new informations as well. So anything which is new to your baby, they see it for the first time, they hear it for the first time, is actually building and making connections in their brain, right? And it is proven that in first 5 years, the brain makes millions of neuron connections per second. Correct. So today we are going to take up another challenge on this note so that you can improve your baby's brain for lifelong learning, for memories, for attention, and anything that they will see, anything that they will do, anything that they will hear, they can just grasp it like anything. So as every time I say this, that your baby does not need any fancy toys, right? They do not need any battery toys, fancy toys, so many toys that we parent think that we keep on buying it for them and stacking up at our homes. They don't need it. All they need is the real life learning, which I am going to explain it to you, that how you can easily do that, because you must have seen, right? You give 10 things to a toddler that you bought it from a market for him, right? But he doesn't need those. He will go in the kitchen, he will explore everything. He will go in the bathroom, he will explore everything. He will go in the park to explore everything, because that's how toddler learns, right? So real life learning, when your baby sees, touches, hears, and understands the world around them, the real learning begins. Right? So simple things जो मैंने आपको बोला कि आप कर सकते हैं, the simple things that you can do it with your kids is like maybe you can hold a spoon when you're feeding the baby. Just say, Mama is feeding you with the spoon. So this is a spoon, this is a plate, this is a bowl, this is a chapati, and this is a rice. Trust me, parents, this really works wonders to build their communication, because it's very well said that only the person who has unlimited vocabulary, unlimited of words in their hands can only speak. If you do not know what to speak, if you do not have words to say, you cannot speak. So that is what I'm trying to say. Whatever you have in the house, in the surroundings, tell it to them. Tell it to them very firmly, very clearly. They do not understand the slangs that we use, right? Do not do that. If that's a fan, say it's a fan. If that's a microwave, say it's a microwave. If that's a board, say it's a board. Don't talk to them in baby language. Never do that. Right? If that, if let's say you're just showing a spoon to the baby, give it to them. He will hold the spoon, and once he will hold the spoon, the brain connections are formed. Just think about it, that how interesting and how simple it can be, right? So when we are actually exploring them and introducing with them, so when we are introducing them with the real life learning, one real world moment at a time, just remember this. Repetition is the key, but don't bore your child, right? Otherwise, make the sessions very short, crisp, so that the curiosity is maintained. Correct. And that's how you build strong memory, language, and focus, one real world moment at a time. Correct. So brain development. Now, so Put down the screen and pick up the world, right? And let's unlock your babies. That he's genius. Let's just pick up him together. So today, at the end of the video, you will get to know as to what the challenge is and how you can implement it on your child and how it can be a super boom. And that's just the beginning. The easier and the better to start early. Most of the parents are thinking that when to start this, is 3 months okay, is 1 month okay, or is 6 months are okay to start with. The early the better, because the repetition is the key. Once the system is in momentum, once consistency is in momentum, they get a regular habit, and once they are habitual to something, it is locked forever, right? So baby's brain is not built but always ready to learn, right? They want to learn something good. They are actually not looking at you just because they want you to give them the screens, or maybe you just tell them just play with the car outside. No, they do not want them, right? And on this note, let's just do the activity today. So, as we discussed, that we will be doing an activity that we always do, right? So, today's challenge is hide and find game, right? For all the parents, PDF is given below, and I'm going to narrate as to what you need to do. As a parent, you just need to play a very simple game when the baby is settled and is in the good mood to listen to you, right? What you can do is you can take something, right? Maybe a toy, maybe anything, right? And you can hide it, maybe under the pillow, under the clothes, under anything, right? I mean, where you think. So just hide it and ask your baby to find out. First, show him that this is a ball, and then you just hide the ball, right? And if he finds it, that's the moment. Just cherish the moment, right? Just give a kiss, just give a hug to your baby that he has done something extraordinary, because that means he was focused when you were informing it to the child. Second, he was paying attention, and third, his memory is improving, that because he's memorizing it, that where exactly the object was, right? And he has made it. I mean, he is showing it to you that mama, it's here, or maybe if he cannot speak, he will show it in the action that it is under the pillow. So just cherish that moment. It is time to celebrate success, because when they find it, they are reinforcing learnings. So do this 2 to 3 times a day, and don't forget to tag us as you always do. And it is beneficial for their brain, as we are working on the brain development and how to supercharge their brain, because we are doing, we are enhancing the memory and problem solving skills, right? First, he's retaining the things in the brain. Second, he's solving the problem. He's not just crying to get things. So, one parenting tip to all the parents out there: please be consistent. Repetition strengthens the memory. Repeat it daily, right? It's nothing that I told you today, you will be doing it only for the day and then it's over. You can do multiple things with the baby. You can play with them. You can do the many, multiple object games with them. Hide it under the pillow, and maybe you can swap it, you hide it in the fist. Anything that you can do that will help them to supercharge their memory and to enhance their brain, right? And get a chance to be featured on our page in a special bonus guide for advanced brain boosting activities. I'm going to share it with you on your personal email. If everything, you are being a consistent parent to Crayons to Curiosity activity, and a chance to win free parenting Q&A sessions with me, right? So join us on our Boost Up Challenge, right, that we have for the community. We have it for all the parents, and tag us and win. So we would love to see how your toddler is learning and enjoying the activities that you do it with him, and how he smiles and giggles. And here is how you can participate. Do the activity daily with your baby. Capture a short video, photo of your baby engaging with the activities that you do. Post it on our Instagram, Facebook at Crayons to Curiosity with the hashtag Baby Brain Boost, correct? So on that note, see you tomorrow with another module, that is the power of music and rhythm in building intelligence, right? So until then, play, connect, and grow with your baby. Bye bye.